having the experience of being in the kitchen and knowing what to do and how to handle your utensils, from your cutting board to your knife to the stove to the pots and pans, and knowing how to prepare a meal, not just a dish, a meal. So you're going from pre-cutting your onions to pre-seasoning your meat and when to cook what. It's all a learning experience. There's a lot of us that, we might be leaving here to be chefs. I myself am going into the catering business. Some of us are going to different industries, whether it's catering or going into food processing and packaging and whatnot. So Chef Kyla, she's a strong woman. As a chef, she's very informative, full of knowledge. She's got a lot of patience to deal with us. She's a good person. She taught us all, we're all at different levels when it comes to experience in the kitchen, and she was able to, meet us all halfway and then, show us a bit, and she taught us, we taught her, so it was good. It's an 11-week program where it's 5 weeks in the kitchen for training and then 6 weeks as work placement. In the program, we're given a wish list, and we actually go online and we look for different stuff. So I myself, I don't eat beef or pork, so I was looking for the least amount of handling of beef and pork. So working in a vegetarian restaurant or a vegan restaurant, and I said, you know what, I'm interested in catering, but for work purposes, I'll do, a vegetarian restaurant. So she actually said, you know what, let me just throw you right into the catering, and I don't touch any meat. So she worked with us. We told her what we wanted, she asked us what we wanted, and she met us halfway with that. Things I didn't expect to make amazing friends. I mean, we've had our ups and downs. In a kitchen, not only is the stove hot, but tempers can be hot too. But I didn't expect to meet a great group of people that I can now call my friends.